In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy BTS concert tickets in 26 step by step. The first thing you want to do is go to the official ticketing platform such as Ticketmaster or whichever authorized seller is being used in your country. Before sales even begin, it's very important to watch for official tour announcements from BTS, Hybe, or the official ticket partner. This helps you avoid unofficial sellers and make sure you're following the correct sale dates, pre-sale details, and ticket release times. Once you know where tickets will be sold, create your account on that platform ahead of time. Do not wait until the day of the sale to do this because every second matters when tickets are in high demand. After creating your account, verify it if needed, then add your payment method and save your billing information in advance. This makes checkout much faster and reduces the chance of losing your tickets while entering payment details. If the tour includes a fan club presale, make sure you join the official ARMY membership and complete any presale registration before the deadline. This step is especially important because presale access can give you an earlier chance to buy tickets before the general public sale begins. Be sure to carefully follow any instructions connected to that registration so you don't miss your opportunity. On the day tickets go on sale, sign in to the ticketing website about 15 to 30 minutes early. If there's a virtual waiting room, join it as soon as it becomes available. This is a key part of the process since many major concert sales use a queue system to manage traffic. Being early won't always guarantee the best spot, but it helps you stay prepared and ready. When it's your turn to enter the sale, quickly choose your preferred concert date, seating section, and the number of tickets you want. It helps to know your choices in advance so you can make decisions without hesitation. Popular shows can sell out in minutes, so moving efficiently is very important. After selecting your tickets, review your order carefully and complete payment as fast as possible. Double check the event date and seat details, but try not to spend too much time on this screen because tickets can disappear from your cart if the timer expires or inventory changes. Once your purchase is confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation email, and your tickets will be delivered based on the platform's delivery schedule. After that, keep an eye on your account and email so you know exactly when and how your tickets will be available.